Good morning, students of Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Commerce section, subject Business Study, Chapter 7, Directing. Before this video, we talk about the elements of directing, and that is second element, motivation. And for motivation, there needs some incentives. The first incentives is financial incentives, in which bonus, retirement benefits, and pay and allowance, etc. Now, we discuss non-financial incentives for motivation, and that is first status within organization or regarding post. Sometime organization used to provide some status those who work in a motivated way for organization towards achievement of its goals. So, providing status is categorized as non-financial incentives for motivation. Second, were organizational climate. Organizational climate change and make more comfortable to employees when employees get motivated towards their group goals and organizational goals. And it is another non-financial incentives that we always state the employees, especially subordinates, to do better and get better in your facilities within organization, working environment, and organizational climate, facilities, etc. Third, career advancement opportunity. Career advancement opportunity is another non-financial incentive for motivation. Under this method, organization used to provide some extra opportunity or advance opportunity towards its all employee who get that target, and for this they in the way of career advancement opportunity, they influence their subordinates and workers and also motivate them to get that opportunity and hike their position, status, and salary, etc. Fourth is job enrichment. Job enrichment, it means that job were facilitated by more pay and allowance and other facilities, overhead facilities and package, etc. And job enrichment is another way of a non-financial incentive for motivation which is provided by organization to its staff. इसमें हम लोगों को उनके पर्टिकुलर जॉब में वो ज़्यादा फैसिलिटी के साथ पैकेज और कंपनी की ऊपरी सुविधाएं उनको प्रोवाइड करते हैं और इसके लिए वो समटाइम मोटिवेटेड हो जाते हैं. पांचवा है एम्प्लॉय रिकॉग्निशन प्रोग्राम. Time to time, the organization going to organize the employee recognition program. Under this, they used to provide award and other medals, etc. towards that employee who work motivated and get its target. So, employee recognition program, the whole organization became to know about that employee and its performance. So it is also act as an non-financial incentive for employee, and for this sometime employee motivate towards achievement of their targets. Sixth, job security. Job security is another incentive for motivation because within an organization, employees always worry about their job security, and when an employee get their targets in a motivated way, the organization can provide job security to that employee at its own position, and thus they can motivate it towards a certain goal, and for this they try hard to achieve that goal. So it is another non-financial incentive for motivation. Employee participation in management or in profit etc. It's also or formulation of plan. So when an organization going to participate its employee in formulation of plans and company organization management, then employee felt proud upon his activity and duty, and thus they motivate towards their duty more, that they can participate in all over the managerial position. 8 है employee empowerment through non-financial motivation. Sometime employee empowerment, that when we going to motivate employee according to the needs of organization, employee felt that they were integral part of that organization and they hold a important post, or whether they can do something better for organization, and organization also do better for themselves. So employee empowerment is another non-financial incentive for motivation. Now the third element is leadership. After supervision and motivation, the third element of directing is leadership, and leadership is the most important element towards directing. Directing is a mixture of 4 elements: supervision, motivation, leadership and communication, in which leadership is third element, which also direct subordinates towards their target and goal oriented activities within an organization. Leadership, it may be defined as the process of influencing the behavior of people by making them strive voluntarily towards the achievement of goals. Leadership को हम एक प्रक्रिया के रूप में परिभाषित कर सकते हैं जो कामगारों के व्यवहार को प्रभावित करता है और उन्हें वॉलंटरली स्ट्राइव करता है टुवर्ड्स अचीवमेंट ऑफ गोल्स, यानी वो लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति के लिए एक वॉलंटियर के रूप में प्रयासरत होते हैं और वो उसके लिए उत्तेजित होते हैं. तो ये लीडरशिप है. और लीडरशिप हम लोग जैसा कि जानते हैं कि पॉलिटिक्स हो या फिर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो या कोई भी फील्ड हो, लीडरशिप इज प्लेज अ क्रूशियल रोल एंड इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर रोल टुवर्ड्स इन्फ्लुएंसिंग पीपल्स, मास पीपल towards a certain target or goal. Features of leadership क्या है? It is the ability of an individual to influence people. Anyone cannot perform a role of leader. Leadership can be only performed by that person who has the influence, who has the ability to influence people by their action, by their statement and other ways. Second, it tries to change in the behavior of other. और ये दूसरे के व्यवहारों में परिवर्तन का प्रयास करता है. लीडरशिप से हम किसी दूसरे के व्यवहार में भी परिवर्तन ला सकते हैं. तीसरा है, it is exercise to achieve common goals of the organization. And leadership is a general exercise to achieve the common goals of the organization. And in any organization, this simple function is found that in any organization the leader will always try to achieve common goals, at least with the influence its subordinates. D है, it explains the interpersonal relationship between leaders and followers. Leadership का एक फीचर है कि it establish a interpersonal relationship between followers and leaders, and it make big works towards organization, because when followers and leaders make a mutual understanding upon each other, then the goals will become easy to achieve goals, and at last it is a continuous process. Leadership as a part of management, element of directing, and directing is a part of management. Thus, because directing is a continuous process, because the management is a directing process, thus as a part of directing, leadership also a continuous process. So till organization operate leadership also going on. Thus, students, this is the directing, and we end the second element, motivation, and start the third element, leadership, in this video. You all need to be remember the financial incentives for motivation and non-financial incentive for motivation, features of motivation, leadership, and features of leadership. These are those questions which came mostly in board examination, and you also have to be prepared for this chapter and topic. So remember it, write down in your fair notebook, and also remember it and make question based upon this in chapter exercise. Till then, take care. Bye. Stay home, safe home.